Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start a Hyundai Santa Fe without a key fob. Press the brake and hold the key near the start button or insert the physical key into the hidden slot, then press the start button. If the battery is dead in the fob, this bypass works reliably. Always check your owner manual for slot location and safety steps before trying this method on your vehicle. Begin by removing the mechanical key from your fob using the release tab and set it aside. Sit in the driver's seat, press and hold the brake, and hold the key directly against the start button or place it in the hidden slot while pressing start. Maintain steady pressure and avoid rocking the key. If the car doesn't start immediately, repeat the sequence calmly. This usually resolves contact or signal issues. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and save time, perfect for grabbing lunch between errands or car chores. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If the car still won't start, first swap the fob battery or try a spare key to rule out battery failure. Next, inspect the slot or button area for dirt or debris that might block contact and clean gently. If those steps fail, it's best to contact a dealer or certified locksmith to diagnose potential immobilizer, wiring, or sensor issues so you don't risk further damage attempting advanced fixes yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.